Have you ever considered embracing discomfort as a pathway to personal growth and resilience? In this video, we delve into the profound teachings of Stoicism, particularly through the lens of the ancient philosopher Seneca. Stoicism, a philosophy that originated in ancient Greece, emphasizes the importance of self-control, resilience, and personal development in the face of adversity. By embracing discomfort, we can cultivate true strength and resilience in our lives. Rather than shying away from challenges, Stoicism encourages us to confront them head-on, knowing that they are essential for our growth and development. Seneca's teachings serve as a practical guide for navigating life's obstacles and setbacks, offering valuable insights on how to embrace discomfort as a means of self-improvement. Join us on this journey of exploration as we uncover the transformative power of embracing discomfort through the wisdom of Seneca's Stoicism. Seneca, a prominent figure in Stoic philosophy, emphasized the importance of virtue, wisdom, and self-discipline as the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. According to Seneca, true happiness and fulfillment come from living a virtuous life, guided by wisdom and self-control. Stoicism teaches us to embrace challenges and discomfort as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Rather than avoiding difficult situations, Stoics believe in facing them with courage and resilience, knowing that they are essential for our personal development. In daily life, Stoicism can help individuals navigate adversity with strength and grace. By practicing Stoic principles such as focusing on what is within our control, accepting the things we cannot change, and maintaining a sense of inner peace amidst chaos, we can cultivate a mindset of resilience and fortitude. Join us as we explore how the core principles of Stoicism can be applied in daily life for personal growth and fulfillment. Seneca's timeless teachings offer practical wisdom and actionable advice to empower viewers on their personal growth journey. Through specific quotes and anecdotes, Seneca's insights resonate with the theme of embracing discomfort as a pathway to true strength and resilience. One of Seneca's notable quotes states, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." This reminds us that challenges are opportunities for growth and self-improvement. To apply this wisdom in daily life, viewers can engage in practical exercises such as journaling about their fears and challenges, setting small goals outside their comfort zone, and practicing gratitude for the lessons learned from adversity. By incorporating Seneca's wisdom into their daily lives, viewers can cultivate true strength and resilience. Embracing discomfort with a Stoic mindset can lead to personal growth and a deeper sense of inner peace. Join us in exploring practical wisdom from Seneca and empowering yourself on your journey towards self-improvement. In conclusion, embracing discomfort through Stoicism offers a transformative path to personal growth and resilience. By confronting challenges with courage and embracing discomfort as opportunities for self-improvement, individuals can cultivate true strength and inner resilience. Throughout this video, we explored the core principles of Stoicism, drawing insights from Seneca's teachings on virtue, wisdom, and self-discipline. We discussed the importance of stepping out of our comfort zones, practicing gratitude, and reframing setbacks as learning opportunities. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more Stoic-inspired content and practical wisdom for personal development. Take action today by applying Stoic principles in your daily life, and share this video with others who are seeking resilience and self-improvement. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we embrace discomfort and strive towards a life of true strength and resilience. Thank you for watching.